Well, hello there, I'm Jordi from Jordinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we're making coconut lime rice. This is a dish you can use in all kind of different recipes. From meat to fish to vegetarian, there is no limit. For the ingredients we need parsley, lime, coconut milk, water and rice. Begin by adding the coconut milk to a pan along with the water. Add a good pinch of salt to the water because this enhances the flavor. Bring this to a boil and make sure to stir everything together. Once the liquid has come to a simmer, turn down the heat to medium and add the rice. Stir this once again to prevent the rice from sticking together. Let this simmer on a low heat for 11 minutes with the lid partially on. As you can see, my doggy is enjoying his nap. While the rice is cooking, cut the lime in half. Grab the parsley and make a little bundle or ball from it. This way it becomes so much easier to cut the herbs nice and fine. Set this aside to use for later. After the cooking time has passed, remove the rice from the heat and let it sit for around 5 minutes with the lid on. After the 5 minutes, remove the lid and stir it around with a fork to fluff everything up. Grate the zest of the lime and also squeeze in the juice. Have a taste and see if you want to add more lime. It's all up to you. Add in the chopped parsley and stir everything together for the last time. Transfer it to a nice bowl or use it directly for your recipe and enjoy! And that's it. I want to thank you so much for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Let me know in which kind of recipe you would choose this dish in. And also let me know down in the comments what future recipes you want to see. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button because it will help me out tremendously. So I already thank you for it. And of course, I see you in the next video.